You've probably noticed, keeping characters consistent across AI-generated videos is one of the biggest headaches for creators right now. One video looks great, the next, completely different face, style, or background. Super frustrating. Well, that problem solved. I've been experimenting with a tool that changes the game for AI storytelling. It's called Pollo AI, and it's designed specifically to give creators full control over visual consistency, not just for one character, but across multiple characters, scenes, and entire video environments. To create a consistent character with Pollo AI, simply upload your image reference, then write your prompt here. You can also choose the video quality, duration, and aspect ratio. Let's try out this cool feature. For example, I'll upload an image of a woman, a tiger, and a couple of backgrounds. Let's see what happens. Well, as you can see, the result is astonishing. It literally creates what we want, using the character and elements we've chosen. It makes creating a clip with consistent characters easier than ever before. Let's try again. This time, I will try to create the same woman performing a couple of different activities in different locations. First, the girl is eating ice cream on the beach. Next, the same girl is drinking a cup of coffee in a restaurant. Finally, she is walking in the park while the camera tracks her. Let's see the result. Wow, amazing! It accurately creates scenes based on our description, using the elements we uploaded. The same character, but with different environments and actions, just as we wanted. Now, with Pollo AI's consistent character feature, creating AI video clips with full control over character details and surrounding elements has become much easier and more manageable. Anyone can now create an AI-generated movie or advertisement effortlessly using these amazing features. But that's not all. In addition to the consistent character feature, Pollo AI also offers a wide range of powerful tools like image-to-video, text-to-video, and much more. It's truly a one-stop solution for all your AI content creation needs. They even provide tons of viral templates to choose from. Let's try out the image-to-video feature next. They offer many amazing models for image-to-video, such as Kling AI, Hailuo, Google Veo, Lumeray, and many other impressive options. Let's test one of them and see the results. Nice! With Pollo AI, we can choose any model we want. Now I'll try using the text-to-video feature with one of Pollo AI's models. Just a simple POV scene. Let's see. Wow, they even have cool models like this. Amazing, right? You can choose from a variety of models, each using a different number of credits. Now creating an incredible AI video only takes one complete platform, Pollo AI. They have everything you need in one place. Try Pollo AI for yourself using the link in the description. See you next time for another AI tools tutorial.